Welcome back, everybody. Look who's on our set this morning. Hi. What's going on?
It's nice to be here.
I know.
I haven't seen you since last year. Corny,
Which was 3 weeks ago. But okay, Carlette, we're going to work with you. Storing photos, folks, in the cloud. It can help save storage space on your smartphone. Makes your images immediately accessible across all your devices. But are we doing it safely? Are we doing it, period? Tech for Life's Carlette Deleon is here this morning, former Smile Jamaica host herself, to talk about this, because she's been talking gadgets even before
Long time.
she was doing this officially. So what's up?
Indeed. Is your phone full? Do you find that you run out of space on your phone? Do you find that you have pictures from 19 how
Come off
long?
of my neck.
Yeah.
Yeah, regular.
Yeah, so you need to offload them. You need to install Google Photos and offload those pictures so that you can free up space on your phone. But
Okay, wait. So Google is saying it stores 4 trillion photos with 28 billion new photos and videos uploaded each week.
Yes.
That is madness.
it's a lot because nowadays, before, if you're old enough, those of us over 40 with hairstyles,
I've
we used
read
to
about
take
that.
film, right? And you had to be sure because you had 24 exposures on that film roll and you had to be very careful. But now we have burst photos. Now we have burst that we can take 10 pictures in a second and so we have many more pictures and we have bigger, better pictures. We have 4K pictures. It's just too much.
Yeah, and I see Google have a phone now where you can edit out people out of the shot and the implication, like clear up fuzzy pictures, and
we need a whole other show to talk about those implications and AI.
Yeah, me don't know about that. Anyway,
but in real life, you want to take a picture of your beautiful daughter and you get that prompt on your screen that says no more space and you can't even take the picture. That's terrible.
You don't like that for me.
So you choose Google Photos or one of the other services and you upload your pictures and voila, you have space on your phone that you can take more pictures. Isn't that great?
No, man, you make it sound too easy. Wait.
Because it never is.
So are we talking cloud now?
We're talking cloud.
Okay.
So you may use a hard drive like this to store your pictures.
No, I do not.
No, you should.
Let us see that.
That's a 2 terabyte hard drive right
2
there.
2 terabytes?
2 terabytes.
Something?
That's right. Or you might use a little jump drive that might be 32 gigabytes or something like that.
Props this
yes,
morning.
I did.
Okay.
Yes. I would turn it that way.
Jump drives are still a thing.
Yes, jump drives are there. You
Me
go.
know if you use it.
Very
you
good.
style me, you know.
But these things are cumbersome in some ways. You have to walk around with them. Sometimes you lose them. Sometimes they get damaged. And by the way, if you're old enough again to remember zip drives, those don't work anymore.
What's that?
They don't work anymore. So what can happen is the technology gets outdated and we can't access our pictures. So by putting them in the cloud, we have instant access across all our devices all the time.
I feel like the only other thing you need to ask about is floppy disk. Like you're going way
No,
back.
we're not going that far back. A floppy disk couldn't hold even a picture.
Okay,
Right,
well, there's hope.